Smartify Layers is a free quality of life plugin for Adobe Photoshop that allows you to convert your selected layers to individual smart objects or all layers in your document to individual smart objects with just the click of a button. I'm Dustin Volkema from CG Hacks. I'll see you in Photoshop. Alright, here we are in Photoshop taking a look at a 3D render with multiple render layers. I like to work non-destructively, and this is where Smartify Layers comes in clutch. I don't have to manually convert each and every layer into smart objects. All I'll have to do here is use one of the two operations inside of Smartify Layers, which is convert selected layers to smart objects or all layers to smart objects. So in this case, I can select just a couple layers here, and we'll be clicking on selected layers to smart objects, and we'll let the plugin do its work. It goes pretty quick. Now I can undo here to rasterize all of the layers again, and we can click on all layers to smart objects and let Smartify do its job. It's really quick, takes away the pain and the hassle of having to do all of this manually. So that's Smartify Layers, a free plugin for Photoshop that allows you to convert multiple layers into individual smart objects without having to do it the hard way. We're a team of photographers and digital artists that create some of the best Photoshop overlays you have ever used. If you're interested, check us out at cghacks.com. And until the next time I see you, create more, say less, and stay creative. I'll see you then.